If you made it this far into the video, you must like what you see, so please hit that like button, give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know what kind of videos you guys like to see. So at this point, I am done with the project, but I'm really not happy with the way it turned out. I do like the way that it looks because I was going for that wood and steel look that I did on the desk and the bookshelf, and I've got the videos for that. I'll put a link to them right here. And I was going for that look, and I got the look that I was going for, but the project is just way too heavy. And the reason is I used 3/4 inch white oak hardwood, and I also used 14 gauge steel for the American flag. And all of that and the other pieces and parts along with it, it comes out to about 28 pounds empty. And this was made to put things in. So after I put some things in there, it would be well over 30 pounds, and to me that is just too heavy to hang on the wall. So what I'm going to do is probably revisit this sometime in the not too distant future, and I'll use a thinner metal and a lighter and probably thinner wood, and that should get the weight down to where it would be reasonable enough to hang on the wall. Another problem I ran into was that the latching mechanism prevents the lid from opening all the way. It'll open about 3/4 of the way and it won't go down any further than that. And if there's anything sitting on the bottom of that box, you would have to reach over the lid and feel around to find it, especially if this is hanging on the wall somewhere. So for me, this really won't work because it kind of defeats the purpose that I wanted to build this for. So I like to just point out these little things, all the little mistakes and problems that I run into, because that lets you guys know everything you see on YouTube and the internet doesn't always come out perfect. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me that big thumbs up. And if you aren't a subscriber, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell so you don't miss any upcoming Making Stuff videos. And thanks for watching.